Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book different room types on Trip.com. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Trip.com deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Trip.com is a global online travel service that lets you book flights, hotels, trains, and car rentals with ease. It is convenient, secure, and offers competitive deals to help travelers plan trips worldwide. First, visit the Trip.com website through your browser. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. On the left panel, you will find different options. Then, click on Hotels and Homes. Here, you can find the hotels by searching for the destination. To search for your destination, you can search for it in the Where to box. It will also show you some popular destinations. You can also select them if you want to stay at a hotel there. Now, choose your dates for booking. After that, select the number of travelers, including adults and children. Pick the number of rooms you want to book. Once you have selected everything, click on Done. Scroll down to view all available hotels or rooms. Next, you can click on the hotel or room to see more details. Scroll down and you will find the amenities and property details. Check the amenities and property details carefully. This property offers amenities such as 2 outdoor swimming pools, a gym, a table tennis room, karaoke, and a business center. Guests can also enjoy private parking, a taxi booking service, and the benefit of staying at an alcohol-free property. As you scroll down, it shows more details along with the price. If the price suits your budget and you want to reserve it, hit the reserve button. If not, you can scroll down and it will show you more rooms and hotels with more facilities. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even the Trip.com deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.